Satsuma mandarins that I picked from the backyard garden earlier, which we're about to eat. Beautiful view.
Yeah, but a long way down still.
Here's what I prepared for our weekend brunch. We have this smoked milkfish, longanisa, eggs, rice, and coffee. Let's eat. Josh and I are grocery shopping here at Amazon. Blackberries?
Maybe blackberry.
It's only 5 o'clock, but it's dark already, you know? See.
Got Thai tea, Daddy got matcha milk tea, and Mommy got tiger sugar.
Yes. I will go some grocery shopping, and here's our next one. I have here 3.5 pounds of chacros. I will cook this with daikon. And then here's the orchid that we got from Ralph's the other day. Look at how pretty. And the bagel from Noah's. Cooking the meat in like water for 10 minutes. For the aromatics, I'm using bay leaves from the backyard garden. These bay leaves, I also use fresh bay leaves. But for this recipe, I'm using the dried bay leaves. Bay leaves, use bay leaves to clean the energy in your house. If you'd like to invite some positive energy, then you can burn some bay leaves. That's what I usually do. I need 3 bay leaves. For the aromatics, I'm using ginger, bay leaves, and then garlic, and also star anise. That's why I was looking for star anise the other day. Just 1 star anise. And then cinnamon. A stick of cinnamon. These are the aromatics. I need to wash the cinnamon and then star anise first. Now I'm adding daikon or radish. I forgot to harvest parsley earlier, so now let's harvest. It's dark already. My parsley harvest. Need the parsley from the backyard garden. Let's turn this off. It's done. And then adding the parsley from the backyard garden to make it like colorful. And for the like fragrance too. So here you go. We're bringing in our car for service today. And here's our gift for our like service advisor. Would like to take a tour of the new cars. This is nice, no? There's one too.
Exchange Daddy's good card.
Yes. It's still like early. It's only 8 o'clock in the morning. We got the first appointment.
A
Huh?
lot of gift presents.
I know, because it's more of like Christmas gifts. Can you imagine if you'll be given a like that, right? No? It's a beautiful gift. Christmas gift. And then after here, we are going to have breakfast. Where do you want to go, Josh? Or what do you want to eat?
I just want the restaurant to have good drinks.
Good drinks? Okay. For breakfast?
I'm thirsty for a good, refreshing lemonade.
Oh, I see. There's a cafe here. Now let's look at the merch. This is nice. those too. No, I like that one, gym bag. And the shirts and the hats. That hat is really nice, the 93. This one is really nice. I like this one. Beautiful. And the water jugs. Hi Josh, you like anything?
There's 3 for us. I don't think it's gonna fit.
We're trying out this new place. This is Lovey's Delicatessen. Oh, so very pretty cookies. So colorful. Pastries. At this place, Lovey's Delicatessen. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing this correctly. Here's their menu. We're having breakfast. Breakfast specialties, shallots, main courses, sandwiches, charbroil. Here's our coffee. The matzo ball soup. Looks very yummy.
I'm having the matzo now. So fluffy.
Having husband leftover matzo ball. Super yummy. This is Josh food, steak and eggs. This is my huevos rancheros. Husband is having, what are you having?
I'm having a skillet. Aviv gave us a chocolate eclair with cream.
Yes. Coming up is the farmer's market. This is one of our options too. To have brunch here with sagebrush cantina, or yeah, sagebrush cantina. This is the farmer's market here.
And our favorite place also for breakfast, Peddler's Fork.
Yeah. This is like a little bit of narrow road.
J'ai envie de te dire que la vie est belle, qu'on a tous une place au soleil. À tes pieds sont cachés des mondes et merveilles. Un baiser volé te lève de ton sommeil. J'ai envie de te dire que la vie est belle comme une solution aux problèmes. Que le vent se lève de temps en temps. Nous serons heureux pour l'éternel. Que tu peux traverser la nuit sans tomber. Que tu peux rêver de grandes échappées.
Beautiful view.
Yeah, but a long way down still.
Nice place to hike. Look for rattlesnakes. This is a beautiful place. Such a gorgeous place. We're hiking. We're like taking a short hike. Nice spot, no?
A long way down.
Careful. This is mossy.
Eyes are green.
Moss.
Huh?
Moss.
The last step.
No.
Oh, there's like a little pond here.
Yeah. So this is the other side. We'll come back here to have a picnic. This is a beautiful place to have a picnic.
There's also a barbecue. Oh, mommy. Oh, that's where the lake is.
Not a lake. Water run off from the mountain. A lot of picnics like tables. Let's go. Little creek. Finally down here. No wonder it's so quiet here, because the road going this way is blocked by a branch. So we have to, the only way down here is to hike from up there. Water
It's running down.
coming from up there. Uphill battle. Dad is reading a book here. Such a perfect spot to picnic, no? I'm preparing napa cabbage. And we are having shabu-shabu for dinner. I'm using this tofu. Having shabu-shabu for dinner. We have napa cabbage, tofu, enoki mushroom, and then the beef for the shabu-shabu, sushi rice, and then this is the shabu-shabu sauce. Let's open this up. We got this from Itsuga. And the napa cabbage.
Let's chow.
And then chow time. Beef and then dipped in goma sauce. Today I'm going to have qigong. This morning's drive. It's like drizzling and sunny.
Okay. So let's do now quickly, briefly qigong. Okay. So healthy for your benefit. This is called morning exercise. You need to do it every morning. Number one, both palms together, stretching. Look up, all the sky. Release, stretch your chest. You finish stretch your chest for the shoulder. This is for your shoulder, your back. One more time. Repeat. One. Stretch up. Now we do page 2. Making sure keep a space between the leg and the open left and right leg. So page 2. Stretching. Stretching. Yeah. And then go all the way down. Keep your spine straight and reach your shoes slowly. Reach your shoes. When you hold your shoes, look at the neck, look up. Look right. And look left. Now, if you can do it, reach the floor thing and raise your feet up. Right fist. Close, open, rotate in, out, bring. Right. Open, close, rotate, bring in. Put palm. Open, close, rotate, internal, external, bring. And then exhale. Now relax this. Now, the next page, rotate. The tiger wash your face on the river. Now first stretch your right shoulder. One, and look up. Release. Change left shoulder. One, look up. Release. Now rotate from the left, go to the right, stretch your neck, release, and rotate your spine back. Now change direction. One, stretch your neck, release, rotate back. Now release, and the center like you jump into the ocean, the fish jump into the ocean like in, out. Breathe in, every time, and close. 7, 8. Good, and then breathe. And release your breathing. Now you can sit, you can relax, okay? Take you some hot water.
Oh, thank you, Chef. Rainy day in LA. I said rainy day in LA. Husband is trying to order food from Marco's Pizza. Well, I'm about to go there. So I should get there before they even like. Good morning. How are you? Did you have a good night's sleep? Okay. And here's the coffee. Here's the matcha. Husband is having matcha today. And here's the coffee. I'm having coffee. Coffee, matcha. Which one do you prefer? Dinner at our favorite sushi place, Mutsumi. Is that your favorite?
Oishi? Oishi.
And crab roll. The favorite. The red snapper.
Beautiful. Anki mo, Papa. I'm having kapachi now.
Let's do one more.
I'm having red snapper or pie. Oishi.
That's your like how many crab rolls?
Beautiful.
Having the black snapper.
Toro and tamaki.
There's many parts.
Napa.
Can I have one?
Masasad already knows.
Mackerel and what?
Having red snapper or pie. Oishi.
And tomato.
Oishi.
Cheers. Now we're going home. Significant. As for the kitchen, it's the soft one seaweed salad. The green beans. The string beans. With beef short ribs. Hi guys, how are you guys?
Good.
How's lunch?
Excellent. Yes.
Anja's favorite tangerines dumplings. Oh, it's hot. Very hot. Oh, so foggy.